Hello students, today I am going to explain a very interesting topic, that is money and supply of money. Money is the most important discovery of modern economic times. It is the foundation stone around which all the economic activities resolve. It is very difficult to imagine the modern economic life without money. It is the basic necessity of all economic transactions. Before money was invented, the primitive world state was carried out according to the barter system of exchange. So, please students listen very carefully. So, Money may be defined as anything which is generally acceptable as a medium of exchange and at the time at the same time acts as a measure, a store of value and a standard of deferred payment. You know that an economy where is a direct barter of goods and services is called a barter economy or CC economy. But where the money is used, it is known as monetary economy. Come to the most important subpart of the topic, functions of money. There are two functions of money, that is primary function or secondary function. In primary function, the main function of money is 1. Medium of exchange, 2. Common measure of value or unit of value. Secondary functions, a standard of deferred payment and a store of value and transfer of values. Come to the barter system. What is the meaning of barter system? Barter system refers the direct exchange of goods for goods without the use of money. It is also known as CC economy. Difficulties involved in the barter system: number 1, lack of common measure of value; number 2, lack of double coincidence of funds; number 3, lack of a standard of deferred payment; number 4, lack of a store of value; number 5, lack of disability; and last, difficulties of exchange. Now, what is supply of money? The total stock of money and currency notes and coins and demand deposit of banks in circulation are held by the public at a given period of time. Supply of money does not include cash balance held by the central and state government and stock of money held by the banking system of country, as they are not in the actual circulation of the country. Measures of money. Money can be measured in 4 items like M1, M2, M3, M4. M1. M1 is equal to C plus DD plus OD. C means currency, DD means demand deposits, OD means other deposits. So, dear students, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and time to time.